All right, welcome back, class. I know it's been a couple of days since I recorded, but I wanted to cover two things in this video: what we did today, what we're currently doing, and a little explanation of the thinking map that'll be due next week. All right. So to start off, you know that we are right in the middle or ending our benchmark exam. Okay, we had 2 days to do it. It's on the Great Awakening. If you are happen to be absent and you're watching this, then when you return, hopefully we'll be able to get you to complete that. All right. Um, there's what 7 questions total on that exam. Two of those questions are ACE constructed response, and we talked about the ACE format and the expectation that you write 6 to 10 sentences. And if you look here in the middle, you can see a structure, if you will, of how you can set that up, right? With at least two pieces of evidence. You write a topic sentence for the A that you restate the question and you answer the question all in one sentence. All right. Then you offer a piece of evidence. You support, excuse me, you quote. You explain that quote either by a personal connection, it's your opinion, your reaction to it, a prediction about what's happening further down the line in history, etc. All right. So I'll let you, you can pause this and take a look at this slide. Now, when folks are done, you all will start the taxation without representation thinking map. Okay. And all week we've been talking about these acts of parliament. Okay. The Sugar Act, the Navigation Act, the Quartering Act, the Currency Act. And we've been discussing that, and you all have described it all week. Don't forget, this is from chapter 5, 1.2. So when you go over to Schoology, you should be able to click on the textbook folder and find the reading there. Now, to be clear on what you have to do here, all right, is, and actually I should have brought up the frame of reference. Let me bring that up here real quick, and here it is. So students will explain the effects of the acts of parliament on the colonists by explaining the purpose of the Sugar Act and the Currency Act and identifying several grievances among the colonists. Now, as you can see, we put more than just the Sugar Act and the Currency Act. We put all of the acts here. And so, really, all you have to do on this side is a 10-word summary here, here, and down here. Just move this. Here and here. All right. Those can come off of your cause and effect workbook sheet that we did earlier this week. I sent a copy of that to you in OneNote. It should be in your class note folder. Then you're going to use the textbook, and I want you to look at the second to the last paragraph of the reading and find 4 effects. Okay. Or excuse me, 4 grievances. Your grievances should go over here. Okay. And there should be 1, 2, 3, and 4. There should be 4 of them. And again, we want a 10-word summary. I don't want all of this copying and pasting. A lot of you all are just copying and pasting the answers there. I'm giving you some credit, but we're going to start cracking down. So again, I only want a 10-word summary of the grievances from the colonists. All right. And that's really all you have to do. You will be using chapter 5, section 1.2. Like I said, that's over in Schoology in the textbook folder on our homepage. Okay, and then always, come back to the channel if you need, or come check out the video if you, or replay the video if you have any other questions. You can also send me a message if you need to. All right, we'll see you soon.